Remember, stay motivated, stay focused. Remember why you started. Never ever give up. Never limit yourself. Every bit counts. Trust the process and your results will come. Hi guys, welcome back to another awesome episode of Fitness Motivation. Hope you guys is as pumped as I am and ready to go. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to incorporate some dumbbells into your workout to still lose belly fat. So before we get started, here are the things that I'm going to use. So before we start our dumbbell workout, I'm going to be skipping for a few minutes with my skipping rope. So hopefully you guys have your skipping rope and is ready to go. And of course, I have my workout mat and my towel ready to go. And these are the dumbbells that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using these. However, you can use whatever dumbbell you have. If you don't have dumbbells, use whatever object you have to incorporate into your workout. Use what you have, utilize what you have around the house, and let's get started. You guys, skipping is not easy. You just have to keep going at it. Ooh, that was hard, but let's go. So now that we've finished skipping for about 15 minutes and get those muscles warm, what you want to do, you want to get some gloves on for your dumbbells because you don't want to ruin those pretty fingers of yours. So we're just gonna get those gloves on and then we're just gonna jump straight into our dumbbell workouts. Stay motivated, you guys. Never give up. Keep going. Your results will come. Trust the process. You're going to be using whatever size dumbbell that you can manage. Okay, I'm using 5 pounds on each side of the big ones, and then I have 1 pound of the small ones. I'm roughly using about 15 pounds on each right now for this exercise. So let's jump straight into the exercises. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be holding each in one hand. I'm gonna lean my body to each side, and then I'm just going to count 10 and just keep it going. Keep your legs together. Let me go out so you guys can see me properly. And while you're doing these exercises, you want to keep your core, your stomach as tight and as firm as possible, so that way you don't work in vain and the stomach is still working out. I'm going to do 3 sets of each exercise. So let's go. So for this second one, I'm just going to be only using 1 set of dumbbells that I have. So I'm going to put one aside and only use 1. So for this second exercise, what you're going to do, you're going to hold the dumbbell in your hand like this. And we're going to curl our hands up like this. But even though this will be working your arms and toning your arms, it will also be working your stomach because you have to keep the stomach real tight in order to do this exercise properly. So let's go with this one. So hold it in your hand like this, and then we're gonna come up and out. And you do 10 of these in 3 sets. Come on you guys, you can do this. And what you can do is, between each set, you don't really pressure yourself too much, but you want to make sure that you don't rest too much between sets. So what I do is give myself like 5 seconds between each, then I jump right back into the other set. So now that we finished this exercise, we're going to jump right into the other exercise. So this one, I'm going to be using the same amount of weight, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be working each hand first. Okay, so let me show you freely without the weight how we're going to do this one. One of 2 things is that if you have a couch at home or something high enough, you can kneel on it like this, and then your hand motion will be like this. Or you can slightly slant your body like this, hold on to something really firm, and then you pull from this way, right? So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to be holding onto the machine just here with this foot planted firmly here. Then with the weight, I'm going to be pulling. At the same time, this will be also working your arms and it will be also working your core. So let's go ahead and start this one. If what you're using is too heavy for you, reduce your weight, but don't limit yourself. Use what you can manage until you find yourself adding enough pounds. Don't limit yourself. Push yourself to the maximum at all times. So here we go with this one. Just utilize what you have. Use your space around you. I am not in the gym. I don't have the right equipment, but I'm working and I'm getting my results and I'm getting the job done. Use what you have. Don't limit yourself. Let's go. Okay, you guys, for this exercise, you want to go the heaviest you can manage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch off my smallest weight and then add my heaviest, because we're gonna squat and you want to get this mama working and get real tight. So I'm just going to switch out my smallest weight and add my heaviest. So this is what my amount looks like. This is what I'm going to be using. So for this squat, I'm going to be holding I'm going to be standing sideways like this, just to show you the position properly of how we're going to squat. Alright? So we're just going to take our weights up, and you want to keep your foot shoulder length apart, and then what we're going to do, we're going to squat and we're going to go as far as we can possibly go down, and then you're going to do 10 of those in 3 sets. So let's go. Straighten your body when you come up and keep those cores tight as possible. Alright guys, now that our squat is finished, we're gonna waste no time and jump into our last and final dumbbell exercise for this session. So I'm just going to be using the same amount of weight that I was using for the squat. If you're at home and you have no help, don't worry. Find ways to manage, find ways to make the workout done. So I'm just going to show you real quick that I have my exercise mat down and my towels down. And this one, we're going to be working both arms and core. So we're just gonna jump straight into it right now. And as usual, we're going to be doing 3 sets of 10 with just 5 seconds rest in between. So I don't have any help, so I'm going to proceed to do this on my own. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put the weights up on me real quick for support, and then pull it up to right where I want it, which is here. And now I'm just going to put my legs like this, just a little bit apart. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my core, my stomach for support, to help me to push this up. And there you have it, guys. That's it for this session of fitness motivation. Just some ways that I'm showing you that you can utilize your dumbbells and you can still burn belly fat. You can still get the job done. Remember, stay motivated, stay focused. Remember why you started. Never ever give up. Never limit yourself Every bit counts. Trust the process and your results will come. It's your girl with another fitness motivational video, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye guys.